added, please note it. You have added whatever you have added, some addition was there. Whatever you had added, it was in continuation of the pre-nuclear deal nuclear power program, which India has put in, Indian scientists has developed. It is in continuation with this. The Indo-US nuclear deal is yet to contribute. Is yet to contribute. All case of end of apartheid, etc., many things, its result is yet to come. So, he may be taking credit thinking about the forthcoming election, no doubt of it. But since he speaks, Prime Minister speaks, media covers it, but please, somebody should go into the grassroots issue at the ground level.
Didn't along with the signing of the Indo-US nuclear deal come the NSG waiver for India, which ended India's nuclear appetite?
But you know, when Prime Minister of India is speaking to the nation, and if he counts this moment as his great moment, we feel sorry, in the sense that it is politically incorrect statement. When Arvind Kejriwal is the Chief Minister and when Narendra Modi is on the doorstep and seeking power, at that time you expect that Prime Minister should take up issues which are mass-based, which touches the heart, which should strike a chord with the poor people, with poverty, with corruption issue, on issue of, he could have said lot of such other things, which, like he could have said that when I pass Lokpal bill, he could say that when Manrega's statistics come on his table, he could say that when he saw the statistics that under his rule first time in India, wages in rural area have increased to 128 rupees from 48 in NDA time. So I think there were many, he was politically very incorrect in saying that.
You had asked a question on the dual power structure to Dr. Manmohan Singh. He did not deny